Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like surface modeling, sheet metal and enclosure design, product design, plastic components design, reverse engineering and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks.
Hi, today I am going to explain about animation with the standard views. Simply we can use the standard views and create the animation video for presentation. So let's start now. So I am going to open assembly. Even we can do it for single components. So click the motion study tab and click to expand. Here see at 4 seconds click this, and here you can see the orientation camera view, this icon. Right click and copy this and move the cursor here and simply right click and paste it here. Now select this icon and select the front view, and at 4 seconds just move this and place it here, and you can paste here and right click and select the right side view. Similarly at 12 seconds paste it and click on this, right click and select top view. So I am going to select only 3, that is front view, right side and top view. So I am going to play the animation. See here. So for better visibility we can bring down here and click here. And if you want to play loop, so you can play this. See here, it is continuously playing. Now click this icon and save animation. So you can assign any name. So assembly A, and I am going to select MP4. So I am not going to change any settings and save this. See, same file number is there, so I am going to take it as B. Save this and say yes. So it plays the preview, so it's going to create this video. Now we can go to this and click this video. See here. So this is the easiest way to create animation with standard views. Thanks for watching.